All right, folks, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful organizational tools within OneNote, and that is the tags feature. So the tags feature basically is a way you can categorize different conversations, different moments in conversations, by marking spots in your pages according to those categories. So let me show you what that means. So if I go to the Home tab in OneNote, you'll see on the ribbon this tag section. And if I go ahead and I click on this expanded list here, you can see all the different tags I can mark a page as. So you can see from the top down, we have to do, we have important, we have questions, we have remember for later, all the way down to things that might just be about ideas, maybe a phone number, maybe a website to visit somebody mentioned, a book to read, a movie to see, all the way going down. And you can even customize tags by clicking on the customize tag button if you want to mark certain pages and moments in pages as certain things. And so why is this important? Well, once you start tagging things together, if you click on find tags, this section on the right will show up and you can see a lot of different tags on the right here. So it shows you all the different tags you have. In this case, I have a discuss with a person here. If I click on the link here, it'll actually bring me to the exact page and notebook and, of course, section where I tagged the specific thing. So see where it says how I marked this as having a discussion with a person about this conversation with Yoda planning a trip to Dagobah. And in this case, I just want to talk with my leader maybe to manage this kind of trip to Dagobah here. And then I also have a question over here that I can click on. It'll bring me over to this where I tagged why was he confused? Why was Yoda confused about speaking in a traditional sentence structure? So I marked that to deal with later. And this is super powerful, and it even integrates with Outlook tasks and the to-do application. So if you click on to-do tags, for example, or Outlook tasks, you can go ahead and sync it with that as well. So it's a powerful tool, and we haven't even scratched the surface. So another thing that you can do, let's say you've been tagging things with several different conversations, and you just want to get a summary of what's going on. If I go to my tag summary section on the right here, and you see where it says create summary page, I can create a summary page, and it has everything on the right here with links directly to those sections. So this is a powerful way you can organize things as you start to have conversations with different project teams, your employees. If you just want to do meet and greets with various folks, have conversations with your customers, etc. You can see all the different ways that you can use tags to your advantage.